WWE, baby.
Spend some money on just a trip.
Khuleka sawona ghost.
Sanibonani njani?
Singasingelela wena kuphela. Hayi.
Ngiyabili.
No, hayi nami ngiyaphila shame. Angisusi pho hadebe mina. Bungani mfo baba? Hayi camera iyarola mfethu.
Hayi roll.
Alright.
Ngiright kakhulu futhi iPirates winile izolo. So iya ngokuprove ukuthi bazothatha ileague.
Oh, yangokuthi bazothatha ileague.
Yeah, iya ngokungiprovela ukuthi bazothatha ileague.
Oh, iprovela wena or iprovela thina? Lento ishilo.
No, iprovela wonke umuntu obukele lapha ya.
Oh.
Yeah, njenge Senegal.
At least bengayibukelanga.
No, ngisho umuntu obukele thina manje wasikhuluma.
Ghost, masingakumosheli isikhathi. Ngeke siqede mina noBhungani namhlanje.
Yeah, angiphinde nginamukele. Angipesho kanjalo. But siyanamukela. So guys, you're tuning into Timeline Radio Sports, your number one podcast, and I go by the name of the Ghost Lady of the house.
Hello.
Ngaphandle kokuchitha isikhathi, today we have few nyana interesting topics esizokhuluma ngawo. I saw social media was buzzing about the standard of a certain team called the Kaizer Chiefs. I want us to touch on that and the favoritism that goes between our players. And also I want us to touch on the Robert Marawa views on how money is being spent on football. Then the third one, it's the Bafana and international friendlies. The fourth one is Rowan Williams being overrated. And lastly, Dr. Don Jordan and the Safa leadership.
Third one.
Yeah, we have plenty of topics that are interesting. So are you guys ready?
Mina ngisekho ready.
Why?
Doctor vele.
Yes.
Doctor ufundile or yilo bamphile?
I think kulokho kuphiwa because of a certain status.
Oh, okay. Hayi sengiqedile ngayi.
Okay, so the first topic engithanda ukuthi sikhulume ngayo it's the trending news. I saw something on social media and it caught my eye. So I will just read one of the comment engwabonile. So this person is saying the standard of football has dropped. The standard of football at the club has dropped drastically. That is Kaizer Chiefs. So they have players who are basically mid-term type players, no stars, no outstanding players. Maybe can argue on Umdu Shabalala, but overall, this team is made up of very low quality players. They are 100% not Kaizer Chiefs level players. I don't see any quality in the team. No wonder none of them made the Bafana squad. These guys are really mid. And that was Bangilizwe Msikia. So yeah, I just, so it's not only him, other people were in the conversation, and some of them bevumelana naye about the team not having players or stars or anything. Bama like a team. Like, what's your take on that?
Hey, yani. Yazi angifuni ukuvumelana naye or nabo. Reason being Chiefs maybe 2-3 seasons ago ayifani nale yamanje. Yabo? Even if ungachecka i-table, uyakhona ukubona ukuthi these players abacriticizeayo baya-compete.
Yeah.
Because right now about number 3.
Yeah.
Yabo? And if ungaya boma 2-3 seasons back, Chiefs was le. Yabo?
Yeah.
So I understand ukuthi ufuna mhlambe lama quality players la wakudala ufuna ukuthi ba match the same standard nani, of which is impossible because i-team ngeke ihlale lapha ya, yabo, even nama player, yabo. So angivumelani naye but ngiya understand ama points wakhe.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know. Kahle I think mina ilento le ngithi abantu baloku bayaziprove wena Ghost ukuthi kukhona like iwings zebhola yabo. So for mina ukuthi ngizothi i-standard siyadropa also kunezinto eziningi ezi-involved when it comes to i-team yonke nje like i-Kaizer Chiefs coaching style yabona yonke into i-diet, there are so many things that are involved lapha. So far if si-check-a maybe kwi-table we see ukuthi okay they are doing better than the previous players ebewakhona ngoba we have actually mangizothi we have ngizozwakala njengomunye umuntu they have ugoalkeeper ukuthi first 5 games wakhe awe league bewa solid ma clean sheet and then uyaphinda futhi uyabuya ngento nge-second half ugijima kuboma 2-3 clean sheets akaka concede anything. So ang understand ukuthi kuzoba yini le engako okuzothiwa manje mangabe bayicompare nayo ukuthi so ama player we-Kaizer Chiefs because I think the only player ngisibonile le post leyo the only player engathi ingcono ukhuluma ngomdudu Shabalala kuphela and I think because of mhlambe nakho ingoba wenze i-reserve like bambizana bekayi player ukuthi lilinde ukuthi mangabe kuba khona ama player limalayo kuba bafana then angakwazi ukuthi bambize ukuthi azo replace like a replacement player, but kukhona ama player good like ku-Kaizer Chiefs we've been saying ukuthi they are good players, maybe ucoach aka feeling ukuthi bazofita ku system yakho something like that, but akhona ama player good.
Yeah. Okay, so I just think ukuthi maybe it's because of abantu abafaki pressure. You know, Kaizer Chiefs is a big team. So as much as sibona ukuthi iza kahle, like people want leyanto leya bayijwayele and bayifuna manje, hence why they comparing or benze ngathi like akunalutho okwenzakalayo. But mina personally I think Chiefs is coming like very well, like benza kahle kakhulu. And do you think iPirates izothatha league?
Yeah, for mina ngibona i-chance isavulekile yazi.
Isavulekile.
Isavulekile, and what I like about the Pirates ne kuna this thing esithanda ukuyikhuluma la lokushini sithi ama game in hand they are not guaranteed. Ku Pirates they are.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So sisakhuluma ngalokho you touch on about Brendan Peterson. So we also saw another buzz about the Isagaga Sipho chain. So here they're saying that the Kaizer Chiefs supporters raised the concerns about the goalkeeper Usipho chain, saying his performance and statistics are not being shared or celebrated enough. The fans went further, suggesting that the race might be playing a role, claiming Uchani as a black player doesn't receive the same coverage as others. So one of the biggest journalists, Lawrence, was also mentioned about him posting or speaking more about Brendan Peterson because they both colored. And it's like most of the time, if focus yake iguye other than other goalkeepers that includes Usipho Chain. So do you think maybe he's not being praised or valuable by us, or like what's your take on that?
Yazi indaba kaSipho Chain ne enye indaba interesting because when you check i-performance kaSipho Chain, for me now he's an ordinary goalkeeper. Yabo?
He's
an ordinary goalkeeper.
Okay.
And maunga checka la ekumele khona asukumisa isandla sakhe abonisa ukuthi ugoalkeeper vele lo bathi uyi uyahluleka. I mean ama game amakhulu uSipho Chain angeke akwenze le next except ukuvimba ama penalty of which manje nawo ngase waqala yamhlula futhi yabo.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's about the race, it's about the performance. And vele yazi ama South Africans sinjalo, whenever one of us engathi uyahluleka sifuna ukuza ngama excuse yabo.
Yeah.
I mean uSipho Chain ngeke ngakhuluma ngaye ngathi mina iOrlando Pirates at the moment iza kahle, but ngine problem e1 of each goalkeeper yabo. uSipho Chain performance yakhe idropile. I'm not saying that poor yabo, but akasafani na 2-3 seasons back la bekano vimba khona kube nama clean sheets yabo, uyawavimba ama penalty yonke lento le into eyenza ukuthi bambize kuba bafana dala. Manje akusekho kanjalo, sebabiza igama hence umthola akubafana bafana but nje uSipho Chayini iperformance yakhe ipoor and I believe ukuthi angayilungisa le aphinda perform right yabo so for me nje iPirates idinga umunye goalkeeper.
So it's not about the race maybe for example ngithi you even
excuse
so
excuse
even
yethu ama South African le
Yeah.
le engihlala ngikhuluma ngayo ngithi one of us makangaqala kube ngathi uya dropa sifuna ukufaka something
But I
abona la
need
race
to uyibonile even during AFCON some of the people bebethi it's about time Williams like naye abe ebenchini then you try again.
no
Like-
yazi bathe kuma comments mangikhuluma ngo Brandon Peterson bathe uChayini ubetter than uPeterson ba right so uWilliams ubetter than uChayini. If they are saying uChayini ubetter than uPeterson they are right angibaphikisi but uWilliams ubetter than uChayini hence uWilliams number 1 goalkeeper.
Okay.
It's
yeah.
just that i-performance esimjwayele ngayo uWilliams naye seyidropile yabo so but for mina badrophe boyi-2 so I'll solve next ma swap ama position ifana nalento beyenzwa eChiefs previous season yokuthi uPeterson makaphunyula ibhola egamini elandelayo sekuvimba uvuma liphume ngaphansi egamini elandelayo sekuvimba uPeterson uzoyenza same thing. I'll solve the problem.
Okay. Your take?
Hey, ngithathe that. No, it goes as in kahle lento lena man mina ama fans webhola ngwa understand this sometimes. Someone said the reason why uPeterson I consider less kumele sicheke ama shots awafaceayo nani ukabo so mina ngibelievela ukuthi ugoalkeeper uyananga ukuthi combination yakhe ne-defense uyi-understand kangakanani ba-understandana kanjani and then that's when then ukuzoba lula ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi badlale then bangaconcede into ezikanjalo yabo so for mina usipho ugoalkeeper yes
Usipho Chayini awusipho baningi hey umuntu lo
no okay angale nawe uke waba ugoalkeeper no usipho ugoalkeeper ne ngoba abo goalkeeper vele like bakhona so I think into emenza ukuthi ugoalkeeper abe right naye ukuthi understand kanjani ama player adlala nawo so angiboni kuyinto engako for mina ukuthi uya performer I haven't seen anything wow ngizothi like ngithi usipho uya performer it's just nje ukuthi defense Pirates has been solid and futhi Pirates yakora so they are winning into ezoyenza ukuthi even if noma yenza ama mistake singawaboni singaloku sibhizi siwalandelela yabo so akunanto etheni manje singathi hayi ngoba lo ucishe wabamhlophe umunye akana culture umunye une culture then I know I
Okay. So like there's this thing oqeda ukukhuluma ngayo about having the strong defense ne. Don't you think ukuthi maybe i-performance kaChayini even by i-defense yakhe like awukho umsebenzi akumela wenza omningi because i-defense yakhe solid like amabhola awafiki kuyo
noma i-defense is solid but lawo ma-shot afikayo ngaleso sikhathi kumele wavimbe yabo so yazi it's disgusting ukubona a good defense ne ilwa for 90 minutes but that one shot on target of which now you feel ukuthi amara lo goalkeeper ngabo livimbile le bhola njengo Ronwen lately yabo he's good but lately unaleyo performance nje yokuthi the whole 90 minutes kuzoza ama shot ayi2 and ayangena yabo so i-defense ayenzi mehluko ngakho at the end of the day kunebhola lizoza slow epalini libhamba lizela on target kuphuma goalkeeper uthi uyalibamba or uyaliphunyula
yeah iqiniso ne but ke sometimes also nobu strong be defense bupha ugoalkeeper i-confidence ukuthi azitshela ukuthi man angiyazi ukuthi kunombokazi akuna next ezodlula uke wabo so a relax naye angathi because at the end of the day if uke wa notice abo goalkeeper ba save the most abo goalkeeper banama defense avuzayo yabo because kancane bayavela bayashaya so if i-defense yakho i-tight then chances are uyazirelaxela nawe usitshela I'm not saying ukuthi yes kufanele vele i-shot elizayo lento lingene ku-goalkeeper because of i-defense yakhe i-tight but ke iya nayo lento leyo iyamenza ukuthi relax as I once watched a game was it Tottenham I think it was Tottenham and Manchester United, where Guna 11 shots on target, Manchester winner 1-0. Tottenham is 11 times. And Guna number 1-on-1 lap, I think him close to 8 or 9. But was saver David De Gea. So sometimes if it defense is bad, and then the niggas who goalkeeper na Elianto Lea Uguchi are even more. But if it defense in Soyampu, then Jens Uguchi goalkeeper are relaxed. So net defense Kaizer Chiefs Bena Elianto Lea Uguchi are utimele Kunu Soyampu, and then Baz relaxed only to find Uguchi Ajax so utimele Kune. So go above Uvuma Bamshai Bamnet and
Yeah, but I feel it's wrong. Ugrela with defense. Because umuntu nomuntu kule position akuyo unomsebenzi ekumele ayenze as a goalkeeper yazi mangisadlala ibhola bengibhoreka idefense yami engimakela kakhulu because ngifila ngathi mina ngisabonakala ukuthi ngenzani yabo I think abo goalkeeper kumele babe naleyo hanga leyo ukuthi hayi man akukuze ibhola eli1 ne shot nje kekile lapha khona nami ngilana ungene egameini
but ke awucabanga ukuthi that's why maybe uSipho bekaba outstanding kuma penalties because le ifuna yena le sekwe yakhe phela.
But what about manje njengoba amabhola ezipalini ayangena and iPirates idlala kahle but bese bayikora ngebhola la ubonayo ukuthi lana mara hayi uChina emile ngabe wenze better.
Okay.
Angithi asikhuluma nge-recent performance asikhulume ngale yakudala enze ngishilo ukuthi for mina uSipho China beka right even the call up bafana bengivumelana nayo but manje ngibona sekadropile.
So guys, like currently who's your best goalkeeper like really?
Nama stats. I think Ama stats as those niggas are the best goalkeeper so far.
When you don't have in mind?
No, I'm saying Ama stats as niggas. Okay, I cannot ever say Gucci goalkeeper Owema Rumo Kalanti u best while akorwa ibhola ngathi bayal square or bayal clear. So we're gonna look at stats and be like, okay, Peterson Ama stats wakhe athi he's the best currently.
So when you analyze based on the stats?
Yeah.
Okay, mina ngiyadifa kuDumsana. Ngianalyze ngeperformance. Hence ngicriticize the performance kaChina manje. Best goalkeeper ku-PSL for mina manje uElvis. uChipezeze for mina has been outstanding since from last season until manje. Yes, bayamkora yena but mo ubhekile noma bamkore 2 goals. 4 clear goals wavimbile.
True. Nami bengifuna ukuthatha on that because bengibhelele even igame yezona and I think ukuthi uChipezende like uhlala on the same level. Ile nto ngikhuluma ngakuthi if it like akumelanga urely on the defense. I-defense yakhe ayikho that solid. But always like when it comes to ama like saving.
Asikhathe ghost ngiyazi yabona namhlanje ke ngathi ngifuna ukungibuyisa. Asikhatheni. Okokuqala nje the reason why azosave lo Chipezeze wakho is because of iyavuza le defense yakhe iyavuza vu.
So when are you saying uChipezeze bangavimbeli Pirates uzo relax abamkora?
Then like okay uChipezeze uvela kakhulu because of kunama chances amaningi avelayo adlula from good defense azekuyi and then that's when like azwenza lawo ma save lawo the goalkeeper sesikhuluma ngawo ba save lona lawo ma chance amancane lawo avelayo lawo abawathola uPeterson uyawavimba lawo mantola kube khona kule game yakhe yokugcina lebeka idlala I think kube kune 1-on-1 offside bese ka save already ngoba ne 1-on-1 why save. So usebenzile lo muntu loyo ngalawo mathuba lawo avelile usebenzile if beku uSipho China
yabo lento kuyo Dumsana ile nto engishoyo ukuthi uChipezeze bangavimbeli iChiefs or Pirates Sundowns uzovimba lawo mabhola lawo because mina ngikhalela ukuthi why labo goalkeeper laba only that 2 shots on target why bakora whereas defense isebenzile the whole 90 minutes yabo so yena manje uprove le point engishoyo ukuthi uChipezeze noma ungamsusa kumagesi wayomvimbisa Orlando Pirates lawo ma chance ayi2 lawo uChina akawamesile uChipezeze uzowavimba ile nto engishoyo mina
ngikho sure sikho sure uzowavimba.
Okay, our second topic imayelana about Robert Marawa and money being spent on football. So one of the biggest sports journalists, Robert Marawa, recently stated that Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns have more financial power than Kaizer Chiefs. Ne? So we saw some of the people agreeing in Nalenta Show, others pointing to the squad depth and player quality, the consistency, and others have been arguing with this. Kaizer Chiefs is still the biggest brand, and
even though I can struggle with money, but when it comes to the decision making, like it's always been on top. So I want why? So ngifuna understand from you guys ukuthi what's your take on that? And earlier on mungakafiki I was touching on that ukuthi I think it's something engike ngayikhuluma in our previous episodes about Kaizer Chiefs not having enough money. I still say or believe ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs does not have enough money right now.
Yeah.
What's your take on that?
I don't know how true is that, ne? Mara, because it's topic say con. As the way ngibona ngakhona ne. The way i-management ye-Chiefs idila nezinto ngakhona yiyo le yenza kube ngathi i-Chiefs ayinamali. Yabo? More especially to the weak football fans. Mababona i-Chiefs ithatha ama free agents nani. They think yeah banamali bamele laba abangathengiswa yabo, not knowing what is the plan behind the scenes, because asazi yonke into abayikhulumayo abantu especially financially no one can prove it.
Yeah.
Yabo, so I think the way barani izinto ngakhona yiye phana ngana mentality yokuthi laba ngathi abasanamali or laba banamali.
Okay.
But mina I still believe ukuthi i-Chiefs inayo imali, maybe as understand ukuthi indlela abasebenza ngayo injani. Yabo, because there's no way i-team efana ne-Chiefs ingangabi nemali. Maybe if bebathi mhlambe team like Sundowns iyabahlula of which nayo I doubt ukuthi ingazifike lapho.
Yeah.
But nje yeah.
We had this conversation before and say clarify lento leyo ukuthi imali yemitsiphe family akusi imali Mamelodi Sundowns. So kwamele si understand and sikwazi ukuyihlukanisa like le nto leya ukuthi okay imali yakamtsiphe and then imali ye-Sundowns. Then Mtsipe needs to find a way to inject the cash kwi Mamelodi Sundowns. And then akho indlela azoyi-injecta ngayo ukuthi yavule lawo ma-foundation abo ubuntu nani. But when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, like must focus on Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs, I think marketing team it's very, very intelligent. So it's one of the people who they know how to make money and by sebenzisa wisely. If we're gonna say Kaizer Chiefs are in Mali, maybe firstly we need to understand how do they make money. Because abantu abazothi Kaizer Chiefs are in Mali, they will say Kaizer Chiefs does not have money because of maybe they're not winning any trophies or something like that. But there is a way of making money without even like winning a trophy. So maybe manje say value if it was about ama trophies, because for the past 10 years bebanga winning X, so that means bekungangeni anything. But imali beloki ingena ku Kaizer Chiefs because each and every year kunemali engenayo, khona imali abayithola iziningi izinto ezenzakalayo behind the scenes. So I will say ukuthi marketing department at Kaizer Chiefs, it's very, very brilliant. Like,
okay, can I ask something? So, since you believe Kaizer Chiefs has money, and we could map out the marketing. I feel like Kaizer Chiefs might have money or Kaizer Chiefs have money, but they've moved away from the football by yenza a business, So now I want to understand, do you think it's a good thing because by a shift from what like Lento Tines Bazi, the focus now is more on how the business grows. About like for example, ba jump into selling ama snacks, business yabiya cool lab. But senenzani on the football side, you guys like are still on the side. Like I affect like the football thing, like, and they shifting away from like because we know Kaizer Chiefs because of football, but now like say brand yabo say kule like say like but everywhere right now. Is it a good thing for whatever we know them of, like ba shift go and like like and they moving away because right now come about marketing I saw Orlando Pirates like most I even saw my interviews where praise about the marketing team. Like Bona, if you can see social media, but like it's buzzing. They one of the best when you come to South Africa when it comes to marketing. So they haven't shifted from Ebola less buzzing ngalo, you know. So don't you think Kuti Lake the Chiefs the strategy Abezanas is affecting if food standard say Paul?
The standard it's something else. The standard is based on actually a performance and a performance team. It's also measured based on a performance my team at the end of the day. So even if noma bangathi Kaizer Chiefs yenza kahle kangakanani for as long as Sunday Pirates yenza better than them and then uzoyenza ukuthi singaba recognize. But mina as looking at Kaizer Chiefs I saw go abantu ababona igap then bakwazi ukuyivala. Kaizer Chiefs so ukuthi we have so many supporters and then if we can push like a simple thing, a slogan of feel love and peace. Push away love and peace and then 700 high abafana bokuthula noxolo like nanani and then these people says with okay if skipper that old school LTD what that Kaizer Chiefs thing it's sold out so bathengisile iphelile nanani so abokapa bayeza like they for even more money like into Kaizer Chiefs. So in terms of ukshifter from we on the field of play, I don't think Uguti they've shifted. I think Uguti, the standard of football has grown like in South Africa to a point where you will see Abo Stellenbosch, Bala Papezul, Abo Skukuna, Bala Papezul. Because even now, Stellenbosch, I think is still a man just as, and no one is talking about them. So I doesn't look tool.
Yeah, ne. No, I mean as a exciting la mine. I think if ngibheka lama seasons lawo la Chiefs ingawina khona next, maybe kancane I would agree with you. But because of last season bayishintshile lento leyo. I mean balwinile trophy.
Yeah.
Yabo? And they sign players of which abantu abaningi kade baba criticize.
Yeah.
Ukuthi Serino sekuphelile ngayo. And Serino kore almost score wonke ama game wale cup abalwinile. Yabo?
Yeah.
So kube the introduction yama youngsters of which now azamile contributor. Yabo?
Yeah.
So I think kancane bayabuya esayidini le football. Yabo? Because ngizwa manje uthi don't we think ukuthi they are shifting kulento esibazi ngayo.
Yeah.
So for me na ukuwina last season I think kuke kwabuyisa nyana yabo.
Okay.
And even na this season ukucompete ukuthi nibe nje ama title contenders. I mean it's a big thing because bekumele ngabe manje iKaizer Chiefs number 14 number 12 siyazi ukuthi yo isizini sezophela sezoqala ba struggle badlala le top 8 yabo. But ukuba lapha I mean you can't write them off much.
Okay.
One mistake lapha phezulu iyadlula iChiefs where ikona ngathi ya square or ikona ngeoffside mara ikhona.
Yeah.
Ikhona.
Okay, guys, we still have more to talk about. So make sure that you stay tuned for part 2. This is our end of part 1.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Spend some money, don't just a tree.